Is cash settlement automatic? Have you ever wondered how cash settlement works in options trading? Today, we are going to answer the question, is cash settlement automatic? Cash settlement is a method used in options trading where, at expiration, the option holder receives a cash payment instead of taking delivery of the underlying asset. This is especially common with options on stock indexes, where delivering all the index components would be impractical. Now let's break down how this process works. When you trade cash-settled options, such as those on major stock indexes, the settlement process is managed by the options exchange and the clearinghouse. If your option is in the money at expiration, the exchange calculates the cash amount owed. This calculation is based on the difference between the option's strike price and the settlement price of the underlying index. Once this calculation is complete, the cash amount is credited to your account if you are the holder of the option. Conversely, if you are the writer of the option, the cash amount is debited from your account. For most retail traders, this process feels automatic because you do not need to take any specific action to receive or pay the settlement amount. The exchange and your broker handle the transfer behind the scenes. However, it is important to note that this automation is a feature of how the exchange and clearinghouse operate. It is not a universal rule for all options. Not all options are cash settled. Options on individual stocks, for instance, are typically physically settled. This means you would need to take or deliver shares if the option is exercised. Cash settlement is mainly used for index options and some other derivatives where physical delivery is not practical. From a practical standpoint, if you trade cash-settled index options, you can generally expect the settlement to be handled for you without additional steps. But always check the specifics of the contract you are trading. Settlement terms can vary by product and exchange. Some brokers may also have their own procedures for handling expiring options. It is wise to review your account statements and confirm how cash settlements are processed. In summary, for cash-settled index options commonly traded by stock and options traders, the cash settlement process is handled automatically by the exchange and your broker at expiration. You do not need to take action to receive the cash if your option is in the money. However, this automatic handling is specific to cash-settled products and does not apply to all options. Always verify the settlement type and procedures for any option you trade.